everybody, and welcome back to another video. Sorry I took all of last week off. I will have videos up for you soon, and I'm going to try to do a bonus video sometime midweek with using this kit. It's called Glass Slipper. It's from my shop to do a memory planning for my birthday week, because this here's my birthday week, and you can see Easter I haven't even finished filling out. But today we are using another new kit. It's called Spring Butterflies. It is so pretty. And if you're watching this on Sunday, both these kits are on sale, including everything in the shop is 29% off. And so here is the look at the rest of the kit. This is new. I'm very excited. We have bottom washi and all the good stuff. And you know, I love my butterflies. So I'm going to just get into this. I took last week off because I was trying to get everything ready for the sale and stuff like that, because I wanted to spend my birthday very much just without stressing. It's actually Friday before my birthday is Saturday, and this was all supposed to have been done already. And I literally have spent all day procrastinating this. So that's fun. You are so twisted. I don't know what is going on here. Are we straight now? Okay, if I angle this like that, it is. We're going to have to work with that. Right. So anyways, I just got to get this done. And then I pretty much have the whole weekend set to do not nothing. I'm celebrating, darn it, I didn't do my little arm trick, and that's not on there straight. But like I was saying, we are going to Tulsa to celebrate. I'm very excited. We're staying over, so we have a hotel room, and it's just gonna be fun to get out and about. So because I screwed that one up, I screwed the rest of them up. It's okay. And yeah, so I'm really, like I said, excited about it. And today we are supposed to be going to, it's called the Red Bud Balloon Festival, and it's like a taco festival too, but it keeps threatening thunderstorms, and it's an outdoor festival, so I'm not sure how that is gonna work, but hopefully it doesn't actually happen until afterwards, because our friend's band is playing also. And yeah, I want to go see him. Oh, we may have a Daisy jumping up here in a second to say hi. She has been Cling Master level 1 million. This is why you don't get a kitty during quarantine, because they think that for the rest of their life you're just gonna be there. We're actually leaving her alone because we're only gonna be gone 24 hours, if that, and just need to leave her a little bit of extra food just in case, but she'll be fine. And so it's the first time I'm leaving her completely alone. I'm a little worried, but not worried, you know? Okay, so anyone wondering, this is an oops sheet. That's why it's got a dot there. And I like to use my oops sheets because it's just easier. So I have these new stickers that for the sidebars, or you can use these anywhere obviously, but I put this specifically so you could put it in your sidebar, because I've had so much issue with this whole extra area. So I think I'm gonna put this one actually down at the bottom, down here. Oops. To kind of cover up that spot like this and shorten the whole sidebar area. Hopefully that looks okay. I'm not sure if I love that. I think in the future I'll put it probably up above. And then I think I want to do this purple one up top. Like this. And I'm going to do something I don't normally do, which is try to line it up with the date covers. And then I have, it's a little crooked, that's okay. Then I have all that. I'm definitely going to use this one. And I'll grab these. I have not been doing trackers though, so I don't even know why I'm grabbing those. And I'm going to grab one of these big pieces of washi. You know what? There's a lot of pattern going on. Let's do this pink one. Do you like my train of thought going on? So we're just going to layer. It's like one of my favorite things to do is to layer headers over big pieces of washi. So one of the other reasons that I kind of didn't have videos out, like I had a video for yesterday for Thursday. It's already edited. It's the next Planning 101 video, but that's actually going to go up in 2 weeks or a week and a half from when you can see this, because I'm filming a studio vlog for my birthday and I'm hoping it's interesting. I keep forgetting to film, so that's going to be interesting, but I'm going to take my phone obviously with me and I'm going to try to record a few things, not everything, because nobody wants to see all of that craziness. I mean, some people do, but I don't think you really want to see all my craziness. And I really don't want it to be on the internet. But I'm going to film some things and I think it'll be kind of nice. And yeah, so it'll round it out. But like I was trying to get at, the other reason I have not really been doing it is I'm honestly, doing this can get boring. Like, I love making videos and I love the whole aspect of it. I love being creative. I love planning. I just get really bored planning on camera. You can't, like, if I plan on my own, I sometimes take 2 or 3 hours. But when I'm planning on camera, I'm trying to get it done fast. One, because my camera is going to cut out at 10 minutes and sometimes I forget or don't hear it. And then 2, because, let's see, where are we at? Let's do a green one next. Because, what do you call it? It just gets redundant. Like, I don't switch up my planning too much. Like, I don't take it like super serious. Like, oh my gosh, that's totally not, oh it is. It's a little lower, but it's not horrible. Is that gonna bug me? Yes. Yes, it's gonna bug me. And can we get this up? But do you understand what I mean? Like, I've been doing this for making Plan With Me videos for 6 years, and there's only so much you can do. So I thought, and if you're on Instagram, you'll know, or if you saw, I've been trying to use the community tab on YouTube a little bit more. You may have seen that I asked for Plan With Me challenge ideas, and I got some good ones, and I'm going to incorporate those. But I thought it would be fun if maybe I did some challenges, and some will be in this planner, some may be in a different planner. But I just think it might be more fun for me and for you, because again, you can only see someone do something so many times. I think that's why I'm also really loving my new series, the Planning 101, is because it is different and it's just challenging in a different way. So that's my little rant, I guess. We are almost all set up for the week. I'm just putting down some headers just to kind of break it up. And there went my 10-minute mark. Thankfully, I heard it, because because I wasn't mid-ramble. Let's see. And there we go. Now we can actually start planning. So first, before anything, Thursday is my nephew's birthday. So we need to get a Tigero for him. He's going to be 12, which he is just crazy to me. I just feel like he was just born. He's a cute little baby. Now he's a preteen, and it's crazy. I am going to take this green. Green is his favorite color, and I'm just going to overlay, oh, how perfect, I put a green box. The Tigero there for his birthday. He'll love that. And go like this. We might do something. My other nephew's birthday is the 30th. And so us April babies might go to a local theme park on Sunday, but I'm not going to put it in just because it's so up in the air right now. We're either going to do that or in the first week of May. So I don't want to put it in my planner and then have to take it out. And I'm trying to think, is there anything else next week? Next week is pretty open for me. Monday, I know I'm going to have, well, I already know because I've got orders. And I'm putting them off till Monday so that I can enjoy my birthday weekend. So I'm going to put this here. Oops, that's so crooked. Like that. I don't love that these are right by each other, but that's okay. So that I can have like a little work list. Maybe I will put that thing in there. I don't think it'll happen though. Something in me tells me it's not going to happen, but that's okay. So I'm just going to put it here. I always put something else in the little ticket. Thursday, we are going to surprise him, my nephew, and pick him up after school and take him to ice cream. So again, I think I'm going to use green because again, it is his favorite color. I'm going to flip it around and put it here like that. And I'm going to find a sticker. I know I have ice cream stickers because my dad is an ice cream fiend and he has to have ice cream all the time. And so of course he's like, why don't you have a Tigero that has ice cream? He's always like, when it's something he wants, he's like, why don't you have this? Okay, so I think that is actually everything. I feel like next week is pretty tame compared to this week, which you'll see when I do the, what do you call it? Rewind spread using this kit. I may use the rewind spread and do it as like using the mini kit because there's fewer stickers. Hair everywhere. So I used almost all the full boxes. And then we have this. We have all these that I can still use. So tons and tons of stickers. Tons and tons. So let me know in the comments your ideas if you have any for challenges that I can do for Plan With Me's, and I will start filming those in the next couple of weeks. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.